Welcome to the Checkout Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide a payment method based on the cart total using the Next Reorder app. So this is useful when you want to show or hide payment method depending on your order value. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the app section. Here, click on Next Reorder app. So to create a high payment rule, we have to click on payment method and here we can choose quick hide payment method. So to configure the rule, we have to give the rule name, like here I'm giving hide COD above $500, like that. So the rule status is activated here. So here the payment method I'm choosing cash on delivery. So here we can apply the condition, so that click on add condition. So select the cart total, click on add condition. So the cart total greater than, enter the cart total value, where I'm giving 500. So here the rule preview is here. The cart total is more than 500. The cash on delivery will hide. So before that, we can go to the checkout section and let's see. There is, for the above 500, there is cash on delivery option. So we can go to the rule section and here we can click on save. Now let's see if it is changed or not. Okay, now the rule has been created now. So to the preview the result, we can go to the checkout section and here I'm refreshing it. Okay, now we can see the cash on delivery option is hidden now for the order above 500. So the rule be given already. So that's it. So it is successfully updated. So using cart total condition help you control payment method for high value or low value orders, making checkout more flexible and secure. So that's it. You have successfully hidden a payment method based on the cart total using the Next Reorder app. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.